Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to embed and display social media feeds on Shopify. Let's get started. So it actually depends on what kind of feed you want to add. So let's head over in here to apps at shopify.com, which is Shopify's app store. Now in here, you can just install actual feeds that you can use. For example, you can search for Instagram feed, TikTok feed, and anything you want. For example, let's search in here for Instagram feed. And in here, you should be able to see the InstaFeed option, which is this one. So click on this. After that, you can install this application. Another thing that you can do is you can also install the TikTok feed. It actually depends on what kind of feed you want to install. Now you can click on this open the application. And now once you have opened it, you should be able to see what it will look like on your Shopify dashboard. You should be able to edit out the settings that this app actually has. So as of right now, it is loading, but once it's done loading, you should be able to see this. Make sure also that you connect your Instagram. Now you can edit out the feed title, the post click off, post spacing, rounded corners, and all of these things right here. What we can do is you can add InstaFeed to your theme homepage. Then this will open in here a new tab wherein it will open the Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor, just make sure that your InstaFeed has been turned on. And in here, you should be able to add itself. So as you can see, I'm on the Sends theme. And in just a few seconds, there should be able to be an actual section that has that specific application. As you can see under the apps, I have this InstaFeed right here. Now I can actually add that when I head back, and as you can see, it's been added like this. This is what my feed looks like. After that, just save this progress and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.